Hi, I'm Tom Martin. I'm one of the co-founders of the American Legal Technology Awards, and I'm very excited to present to you the Law Department category, which is dedicated to a law department that has taken an innovative approach and created significant efficiencies or a positive human impact. I'd also like to thank our sponsors, GNGF, ROG Legal Insurance, Clio, and LegalZoom for shining a spotlight on law departments that are making a difference.
So the winner for us, I think, best reflected the criteria by which different entrants were judged, but also reflected, I think, this growing movement within the legal field to allow for more flexible ways of working and allow for more flexible ways of meeting the needs of those seeking legal services. And this company that ended up being the winner really, I think, exemplified both of those things. Often those who are really doing some great work, I think, especially in the legal technology space, often are kind of working under the radar. And I really think it's important to recognize the hard work and efforts by these folks. And I think the American Legal Technology Awards really does a great job of trying to shed a light on these efforts and reward them for the efforts that have been done.
The teams that generate the revenue are the ones that get the most recognition because they're generating the revenue, they've killed it, they've done this, right? And oftentimes legal teams, their job is to mitigate the risk. And so what we do is in the background, and it's never really brought to the forefront until it's like something didn't go right. And so we don't necessarily want it to be brought to the forefront because that means something didn't go right. Hi, my name is Anna Badmis, and I am Senior Director, Global Employment Council at Upwork. We are reflections of what we expect to see, and it aligns 100% with the values of the company. And so it's not hard. Everybody at the company wants to operate it with a way that has integrity and a way that inspires the boundless future of work. But our values are to operate in a way that is trustworthy, collaborative, beneficial to the community, both internally and the communities in which we reside.
Well, Hannah, I have good news. On behalf of the American Legal Technology Awards, it is my honor and pleasure to inform you that Upwork is indeed the winner of the award. Congratulations to you. Well-deserved. And I don't think you could have picked a more amazing company or recipient for this award.
Well, thank you. On behalf of the team, we are so appreciative of this honor, and it means so much to us. So you've made my day, my month, my quarter. I don't even know my year. This is awesome. So thank you. We consider ourselves to be the department of how, and we don't want to say what you need to do, but we try to help explain how we can achieve the goals within the confines and within the laws. And so we are often working very closely with our partners and collaborating in really interesting and innovative ways so that we can achieve the mission of the company or achieve micro goals that we might have within our different respective initiatives as a company. So I was the first attorney in the Chicago office, and we were pretty small then. And I remember walking around being like, "Yeah, I'm our employment counsel," and they're like, "Oh my God, well, I hope to never have to talk to you." And I was like, "Actually, I hope I always get to talk to you." And so we see ourselves as, we're their business partners, and our legal team is actually really fun. We take our work incredibly seriously, but we don't necessarily take ourselves seriously. The perception is that you only have to talk to lawyers when you're in trouble, and what we want to say is that no, you can talk to us well before that point, so that we don't have to be in trouble, so that we don't have to talk about that. So we try to enable and be very approachable because we want to make sure that we can avoid having to have the negative conversations. We want to have them ahead of time.